How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 67 GTO. It's undergone a complete frame-off restoration. During the restoration, it was cloned to a GTO. Super slick car, guys. Show quality paint. Just a beautiful car. See, all the chrome on this car has either been replaced or re-chromed. The bumpers, the grills. Beautiful car. Super straight down the sides. It's done in an emerald green, black interior. You can see the hood tach. See how slick it is down the sides. All the trim's been replaced on the car. Just a super nice car. Does have the Hurst wheels, which really look nice. You don't ever see them. There was no expense spared on this car when it was restored. The rear bumper is just perfect. See how slick it is down the sides. It's got four-wheel disc brakes, drilled and slotted rotors. It's all nicely detailed under the hood. It is a 430 over. It's got a 520 lift roller cam. It's a hydraulic roller cam. Aluminum intake and poly carb. It's got your power disc brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator. It's got the 67 GTO 670 heads. All been reworked for the no lead fuel. It's a super nice car. You can see how clean the doors all are. The interior's all been replaced. The chrome on the dash bezels, like brand new. Headliner looks real nice. All the seat covers look real good in the car. It's got your his and her shifter. You can just see how slick the paint is on this car and the shine, the depth of the finish. Trunk's all nice and clean, detailed up nice. Does have a AM/FM CD stereo, nicely mounted in the glove box with remote. Got your spare tire, your jack. You can see some of the restoration photos. We got a bunch of the receipts from the restoration. Even comes with a matching model. Just a super nice car. I've personally driven it. Thing makes a lot of power. Makes about 430 horsepower to 450 horsepower. So the dash and everything looks really nice. Got some gauges, got the factory vacuum gauge on the console. Like I said, it does have an AM/FM CD stereo with remote. Mounted in the glove box. We'll fire this thing up. Fires right up. Got a set of ceramic coated hooker headers. Into the dual exhaust out the back. It's all Flowmaster exhaust. It's also got a set of cutouts in the exhaust. Sounds tough. You go rolling into the cruise or into the show. Quiets right back up. Sounds real good off the exhaust, I tell you. Backup lights, everything worked in the car like they should. Just a super nice car, guys. This thing is ready to cruise. I tell you, it's a handful to drive really if you stand on the throttle hard. And you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, guys.